Good morning to one and all. Myself Aditya. I am doing my MA in Industrial Engineering, and today my topic is about sustainable key performance indicator for a manufacturing industry. Let's see. Here are the company profiles. I am choosing a transformer manufacturing and service industry. The name of the industry is McNaught Industrial Transformers, and it started in the year 2003, located in Udumalapet Main Road, Pollachi, which is in Coimbatore. Major clients are Swislon Engineering Limited, which is in Karumutamatti, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, and Dharapuram Wind Farm. The company profile, the company area, the total platform is around 12,000 square feet, and the raw material consumed are 25 ton per year. Now next, the literature review. These are the literature review I have reviewed. So the first literature review is towards KPI based healthcare process improvement. It is proposed in the year 2000. In this journal paper, they concentrated on the selection of the relevant performance measure related to healthcare process and illustrate the usefulness of the retained measures through a real case study. Then how soft drink supply chain drive sustainability key performance indicator identified. So this was proposed in the year 2008. In this journal paper, a specific framework of key performance indicator has not yet been developed for soft drink supply chain. So KPI helps soft drink companies to have a more complete vision concerning their sustainability impact and point out potential best practices. So this journal paper conveys this. And the next journal paper is about key performance indicator for sustainable manufacturing evaluation in cement industries. So this was proposed in the year 2015. The cement industries are facing challenges to implement sustainable manufacturing into their process and products. It is hoped that the proposed KPIs enable and assist the cement industries to achieve their higher performance in sustainable manufacturing and so as to increase their competitiveness. Then designing manufacturing dashboards on the basis of key performance indicator survey. This was proposed in the year 2016. This paper underlines the different KPIs are performed for different dashboards on different hierarchy levels. Then the last journal is monitoring and control of production process based on key performance indicator for mechatronic system. In this journal paper, they have introduced the concept of key performance indicator for mechatronic systems as a concept to access the condition and quality of products and production process in a graspable yet sustainable and efficient way, in a easier method, we can say. Then my problem definition. The major issues faced by the industry is lack of manpower and efficiency of the workers in the industries. So due to this, the industry is facing many problems like they cannot produce more they cannot service more amount of transformers in a lesser period of time. So these are their major problems. The main objective is to reduce their issues by implementing key performance indicator so that they can boost their production and reduce their cost and increase their production rate. Some of the KPIs that can be implemented so that they can improve their profits are cycle efficiency, labor utilization, machine utilization, capacity utilization, value added employee productivity. So these are my KPIs to be used. The methodology. This is the methodology I'm going to follow. Selecting the industry to the key performance indicator is to be measured. So I have measured. Identifying the problem. I identify the problem. Collecting data from the industries. Framing different KPIs. Calculation of those KPIs from the collected data. Proposing the calculated KPI to the industries. So this is the methodology I'm going to follow. Calculations. So these are the calculations which is based on the different KPI I have selected. These are the data. It's this is the data type of winding coil for a transformer for a weak data. This is a weak data collected, and using this weak data I have framed a month data and I have calculated it. First one is labor utilization for a day is calculated. This we have calculated for a week, and the labor utilization in the industry is calculated. So the labor utilization is about 81%, and for a month it is about the graph will be increasing in this manner. So next is the machine utilization. Machine utilization is found to be 80%, and this is the starting point will indicate the current situation of the industry. After implementing this KPI, it can be reached up to near 100%. So this is the machine utilization. Then the capacity utilization or efficiency for a transformer to be assembled from the scrap. So this is it. And the value added employee productivity. So by increasing the productivity and uh, by means of labor, manpower and etc., so we can improve the productivity, production rate. So these are my references. Thank you.